This next song was done by a very famous cousin of mine. Goes like this. You dare to dream really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. I see trees of green, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, and the brightness of day, and I like the night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, the colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry, and I'll watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. roll, everybody. Thank you so much.